What happens after the project manager phase is it goes into a resource management space where there are HRs who actually try to translate the requirement and then find people for it. That again poses another problem as a lot of data about skills, about the client's understanding of things at the outset get lost in translation. So that basically lengthens your whole process of hiring and actually getting the right people out, right? So I'll just quickly drop you into what we do. So this is where the natural language processing that we do comes in. So let's say I'm just creating a new position for a big data architect. I enter the title of the position. I choose the project. I slide to say I'm looking for somebody within the range of about 7 to 12 years. And let's say I've received a very cryptic job description from the client, which I can just copy and paste in. So job descriptions are always all over the place, right? They'll ask for everything from Mongo to Elasticsearch to your NoSQL to Hadoops and everything that's possible. So let's see how our system analyzes it. So it basically took the text, analyzed it, and it's saying that NoSQL is what you're looking for, boss, at the top skill. High-level architecture is next because obviously you're looking for architect. Hadoop is next. Then your system deployment, your garbage collection, your Lucene, your archival processing, your XML schema design. Now, if you see XML schema design at 54%, if you look at the job description carefully, it talks a lot about Solar and Lucene and your Oracle. And the only way that you're running data across the systems is XML. So the system is actually intelligent enough to look up our connected skill repository, which basically is not a flat repository. It's in the form of a graph. So we know Hadoop is so away from Hadoop. I mean, so Java is so much away from Hibernate or Spring as a framework, right? So we can deduce what is actually necessary for you to function. Also, if we quickly scroll down, you see something called addition, which tells you that in addition to those skills that have deduced from the job description, I also think Mahout, HBase, Cassandra, let's say Log4j, MapReduce, all of these are important things that you need to look at. You've forgotten about all of this, or you actually didn't think that these would add value. So this becomes your rather rich and enriched job description, which you can go to market with. Yeah. And what it also does is, once you go ahead and create a position, it is immediately going out to job sites and auto sourcing people for you. So you can say the big data architect that you created, you can say, let's say Bangalore within a radius of 500 kilometers, and you have results back. So in this time, it's already gone out to job sites, sourced resumes of people that you might want to look at. You can open up a particular resume, which tells you the name, whatever he has, what skills matched, what didn't match, the highlight, and it also gives you an ILP, our attempt at giving you a learning path. So it tells you what courses you need to do to upskill yourself. So the organization is already prepared for the trainings that need to be given to the person. It also tells you books you might want to read to get there, right? Okay, of course, this is your own investment that you do it. So this is what we do, not just for external hiring, but for internal resource allocation as well. So the entire gamut of it we handle.